Hey Aadi, what are you doing?
I'm searching for the math operator that gives the remaining value after division.
So, what's the status?
I've gone through the whole math book, but I only found plus, minus, multiplication, and division.
Did you find the double slash?
No, that's only for Python programming, not real math, our teacher told us.
So, wait for the session. Let's play some puzzles.
No, I'm going to bed now. I need to wake up early in the morning. Good night.
I'm waiting for our Python programming lecture.
Me too, I want to know about the new operator.
It's interesting to learn about new math operators.
Hello, kiddos!
Hello, teacher.
In the last session, I gave you a task. Are you ready with the solution?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
This is the code, teacher.
Very nice. The code is correct. Let's execute it. How many students are in your class?
25.
Number of groups that can be formed are 5. Well done.
But, teacher, we have a query. Our friend Sarah has 27 students. How do we get the extra students?
Good question. In Python, there's a special operator for that.
Is it available in real math?
No, it's only for programming. The operator is the percentage sign.
How do we use it?
We will modify your code. This line, rstud equals NOS for zone 5, tells the computer to divide NOS by 5 and give the remaining value after division. Number of groups that can be formed are 5, and extra students are 2.
That's great. The computer can do any calculations.
Now we have a total of 6 math operators in Python: plus, minus, multiplication, division, floor division, and percent. The percent operator is known as the modulus operator, which gives the remaining value after dividing 2 numbers.
Do we have more math operators in Python?
Yes, we will learn them in the future.
Thanks, teacher.
This is your new task. Accept the length of the ribbon from the user and find out how many pieces of 5 meters and 3 meters can be made from the ribbon and what the wastage is.
Wow, friends! Today we learned about the modulus operator and how to find out about extra students and even ribbon pieces. Remember, coding can be fun and useful, so keep your minds sharp and your coding fingers ready.